Have you ever wondered why some plants stay vibrant and healthy with such simple care? One common kitchen spice may help support stronger growth naturally. In today's video, I'll show you an easy turmeric plant tonic that can help encourage healthy roots, greener leaves, better flowering, and make the soil less inviting for fungus gnats. Mix 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into 1 liter of warm water. Make sure the water is below 60 degrees Celsius, then stir well until the turmeric is evenly mixed. Turmeric contains small amounts of minerals such as potassium, phosphorus, iron, zinc, copper, and manganese. It also contains natural compounds that may help reduce harmful microorganisms in the soil. Let the mixture cool completely, then strain it. Apply it only to already moist soil, watering gently around the base of the plant. Avoid pouring it directly onto the leaves. This natural tonic can be used for orchids, African violets, geraniums, flowering plants, houseplants, vegetables, and many other potted plants. To help discourage fungus gnats, lightly sprinkle 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder over the surface of an average-sized pot. Gently mix it into the top layer of soil, and, if possible, cover it with a thin layer of fresh potting mix. Repeat this treatment once every 3 to 4 weeks. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and happy gardening.